Okay, so this is Taipa with all the casinos, and you can see some of the casinos there. There's kind of a funky building right there. We'll zoom in a little bit.
Chiquinha, chiquinha,
Go check out the room.
chiquinha,
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so this is Taipa with all the casinos, and you can see some of the casinos there. There's kind of a funky building right there. We'll zoom in a little bit. And it's from the side, it's really unusual, but from the side, it's hard to tell how unusual it is. And you got Cotai Strip right there. You have Venetian. All this is Venetian right here. And then we overlook a big park. And Taipa Village is right here. There's kind of a lot of cool little stuff here. This is a rooftop right there. This is a little thing that you can get up to here. You can just take this tram all the way up to this spot right here. And it comes up right there. And you can see the tram right there going. And then we're going to take a view over this side too. Lots of pedestrians walking up this little area right here. Okay, that's overlooking Taipa Village. And the casinos in Cotai. And this is all Taipa. And a bunch of buildings up here. Buildings over here, and we're up on a hill. And there's more of this hillside up here too.
chiquinha, chiquinha. Toma cuidado da bovidinha.